Hello viewers, today I am explaining you about how to use Android Studio. So this is my first Android Studio tutorial series, and I will in this tutorial series I will be explain to you how to get how to get know about the Android Studio. So first click on the I already opened there is the Android Studio. I already opened the Android Studio. So first click on start a new Android project and give it a name. Anyone anything you could name it anything, and I give it name my first app. So there is the application name and the company domain. It should be your default uh, PC name, and if you want to change it you can change it and according to your requirement. And there is a package name, and this package name is the started with dot co example dot your whatever your PC name and your app name. So here is an equation. I'll just put it this file on my desktop. So click next, and in this there is a target audio Android devices. So in this window you have to select it what and selected that what is this app is going for a use for user. You have to select it for the app for according to the different versions of the Android Studio. So I will select I want to select with the Android 4.8 so I clicked on phone and tablet, so I will this app for phone and tablet, and there is also bunch of options are available there over. And first is Android's phone and tablet, second is View and TV, Android Studio and glasses. So we will make it for Android tablets. So I leave it unchecked. Next. So here is the different ones for different kinds of the activities are provided by Android Studio. So I want to select this second one, empty activity. So it is easy. Next. So this is activity name. I give it you can give it name according to whatever you want. So I will leave it as it and click finish. Now it will take a time, and now here it is. First you see two windows, main activity and activity main and Java class and XML class. So you see a lot of windows over there. Don't get confused. I will quickly go through all these windows, what are there and what are their functioning. So I will explain to you first by step by step. So first is that here you see a window in a user view of Android phone, and you can here we choose this skin. So you can choose it here from this gear icon and include a device frame if available. So this is the frame. Okay, and you can even choose that which device you want to select. So here are the bunch of the devices are available, and probably most of all Nexus. So I choose that Nexus 5. So here this is a skin for Nexus 5, and I leave it as it like. Okay, and first thing you see that there are different kind of window are open there. So you can adjust according to your which you want, which you feel comfortable. So all these options are available. So first is that Android framework. I will quickly explain to you. So in this there is the bunch of options are available. First is the palette window. In this palette window you see different options for which will be helpful for to building a great app. And there are the layouts, widgets, text fields, containers, data and time, expert, and customs. All these options are available there. So, there is. So I go to this is a main activity.java class. This is the first Java class, and so I quickly go through the what you want to see. And first I will explain to you a manifest file. So what is actually some manifest file? In this manifest file there are different kind of classes we have used in our course, and all the reference files are attached to this manifest android manifest.xml file. So here you have looked at, and there is our app name that is labeled with my first app, and there is also our activity main activity. So there is our icon, which is this icon, default icon in Android Studio built-in. So next is that Java. So you see there are three package names. So these the first one is I'll explain to you. This is the main activity. So there all the Java codings are done over there for building a great app. So the rest of the two are the default Y and Y testing system. So here we see a resource folder, RES, which means resources. So first is the drawable, layout, map, and values. Here we see four folders. In the drawable folder is mainly we put all the our images in this drawable folder, and the layout it is the activity. Activity is mainly which users interact with, mainly a user interact with. That's what we call activity window. And here next is the map. Map is where we store our icon, Android icon launchers. So there is an image of icon launcher. This is the default icon launcher image of our Android app, and you can change it according to your app name and what is app is about. So I leave it as. And there next is a value folder. In this value folder you see a colors.xml, dimensions.xml, and strings and styles. I will explain to you that colors, in this colors you have implement that what kind of the colors you want to be using for your Android app. So here is three colors: the color primary color dark, and I will use this color for my app. So there is a dimension. There are two folders. First is dimensions, and we talk about the first one. In the dimensions folder, we can set different kind of dimensions according to our need. So I go to the string folder. In the string folder, we give a string name for our various kind of apps. So in the styles, how way our apps will be look like. We can get close all the window. Now I close all the windows, and the shortcut is that we have to be a tab 3 time shift. All these files are we want to be open, just give it a name. Yes, I want to be open activity dot xml. So here it is. So this is the first, and on this side it provides various API. So here I'm use the API 23 because it is come with the latest Android version 2.1.2. Okay, and this is our main app theme. You can change according to your. This is the landscape mode and portrait mode. Here some of the properties are available as which component has we used these four properties are according to that component. So here is the component tree which are the components we use in our app to make our app. So let's start with the building something. So leave that and first set up medium text. You can see there are the properties are changes according to their we component have we the component that we have selected. So that's a relative layout for the text view. In the background there see a three dot canter and you can give a different color. I give that. Okay, and you give it so here we put it that way. So next is that here you see that XML code is also changes with the app. So you will click on this, that code will text view will be highlighted. So here is android.x.image. We change it according to what we want to type there. Hello, this is sorry about that. This this is the my first app. You see there is a changing over that same way. So it is very intelligent IDE. So next thing we have to do styles. Go to resource, values, styles, dimensions, strings. You can call this string value by giving this string name, give us first app, and give a value of click me, click first. Okay, we now initialize our string value. So we call it this value over our layout for under activity.xml file. So in the design view, there is a two tabs over the down there. There is a design and there is a text view. Android Studio will provide opportunity to work with both of us side by side. So I will choose that button and drag it over there, and I double click on that button. I give it to name. Give it to that and provide it over there. First tab. Here it is. Okay, this is the click first button. Okay, this is all about our first layout look like. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and please subscribe, and I hope you learn about from this tutorial a lot, and I hope you guys like it, and leave a comment and keep subscribe. Thank you.